So I'm dropping a new single.
What?
Surprise!
New single.
Just relax. Crack an egg on your head. Feel the yolk drip down.
America, get your uteruses turned, because this song is called Get That Fetus, Kill That Fetus.
Oh, dear.
I'm a baby killer. Baby killing makes me horny. Aliens inside me. I'm gonna squash it like Sigourney.
No,
Get that
stop.
fetus, kill that fetus, get that fetus, kill that fetus.
Pew, pew. Yo,
Christ, stop the tape.
Glasses, you did this.
Doll face bitches in my cross face. Have abortions sometimes? No, I'ma have abortions always.
Get that fetus, kill that fetus, get that fetus, kill that fetus.
Pew, pew. Pew, pew. And sometimes I do have doubts and it's hard to sleep. I think about my child's heartbeat and oh, it makes me weep. I hope and pray to God my little fetus has a soul. 'Cause I wanted to feel pain when I eject it from my home. Blah, 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 blah.
Drop, drop, pew, pew. A daring battle cry from the self-appointed new voice of choice. But has the concept of women having choices gone too far?